Around the world, construction begins before dawn. So does the drive for quality and service at the ARDEX Group. Every day, customers rely on ARDEX system solutions, from leading tile adhesives and grouts, to waterproofing, to industrial flooring, to decorative surfaces, to flooring adhesives, and the best in subfloor preparation. The road to quality starts here. Local R&D teams design and test products that establish new industry benchmarks. Carefully sourced raw materials pass stringent quality control testing, while scientists can perform up to 400 lab tests on a formula before it graduates to field testing. Manufacturing employees are dedicated to safety and committed to uphold ARDEX as the industry-leading solutions provider. These same standards of excellence are extended by ARDEX professionals. ARDEX Shipping and Logistics responds to the demands of a busy and broad network of the leading and largest distributors across the globe. Our commitment to local jobs extends to local warehousing sites. Excellence in people, products and service is bred into ARDEX from its base in Witten, Germany. Founded in 1949, the ARDEX Group covers the globe in 50 countries, where more than 2,500 employees are ready to serve you, from more than 40 subsidiaries and 33 manufacturing locations. As a family-owned company, ARDEX delivers a range of trusted brands in the commercial and retail sectors, and follows its vision to be one of the world's leading solution providers of high-performance specialty building materials. ARDEX's foundation is built on training, with world-class education facilities like the ARDEX Academy, which leads free training for tens of thousands of installers annually at ARDEX Academy locations across the globe. It's all part of building a close, mutually beneficial relationship with the end user. Hands-on experience instills confidence on the job site. A single point of contact writes and reviews specifications for architects with attention to a solution. ARDEX field experts have undergone rigorous hands-on product training at the ARDEX Academy. Our on-road sales team walk the job site with the customer and convey job site recommendations to ARDEX Technical Services. Together, this network of experts tailors thousands of job site recommendations in the retail, healthcare and education, residential, hospitality and entertainment, government and transportation industries. From sales solutions and account analysis to our very own smartphone app, ARDEX is in constant communication with both our customers and the broader market. Whether it's a matter of tech support, product recommendations, or complete system specifications, our digital service is always on the cutting edge. From New York to Shanghai to London to Berlin, the ARDEX Group provides solution insight. Whether we're leveling floors on the world's tallest building in Dubai or keeping the rain out of iconic landmarks in Sydney, ARDEX is proud to be a global company providing solutions with a local focus.